Manoj, it's so good to have you here. How are you? How's everything?
All good, all good. I just hope that you guys are staying safe and doing well.
Yes, we are. We hope you are staying safe as well. So, we are very excited for Dial 100, which releases tomorrow. And very, very excited. I've seen the trailer and it looks like a great movie. Tell us more about your character, Nikhil.
Okay, Nikhil Sood is he works in an emergency call center. Is a regular middle class guy. He's a regular middle class ambition. He's also somebody who is not ready to take the responsibility of the household. Not really, so reluctant in taking care of taking all the responsibility of his 16-year-old son, where he's going, what he's doing, his outside activities. He finds his wife quite nagging. He doesn't care how she's managing the house or how she's and what all problems she's having with their son. And one phone call in his emergency call center, it questions everything about him. It questions everything that he is, and how in one night his life changes drastically. By the time it's morning, he's no more the same person. His life is no more the same life, no longer the same life. Yeah.
Right. So, is there any part of your character that you kind of relate to?
The whole middle class aspirations and middle class conflict. This is all of us relate to the aspect that each and everyone has, or even if they don't have it, they never has it. They face it every day. They see it, experience it, witness it every day.
Tell me, what has been the best part for you in working for this movie? You worked with some great actors, as Neena Gupta, as Sakshi Tanwar.
Neena ji is such a force. We have been admiring her since so many years. She has done some great work in cinema and on TV. The way she led her life as an independent woman, she's been such an inspiration for all of us. It was such a privilege to be really sharing the screen space with such a great lady. And Sakshi Tanwar is somebody that I have known from her college days. I was invited to do a play for a dramatic society, and in which I took her as the lead.
Yes.
So I know her since that long. I'm so proud of Sakshi's achievements.
I read about that you were like her first director, because you did that play in college and you took her as the lead in that workshop that you did in the college many years ago.
Right.
Nice. But tell me, Manoj, you've donned the khaki in so many films. So does it sometimes feel, or do you have to do something that makes sure that your previous performances don't overpower your current role?
Many people ask me this question, but they forget that the person who is wearing the uniform is different. Okay. There are thousands and thousands of police people, but that doesn't mean that all of them are similar. All of them are leading the same life. All of them have same kind of children. All of them have same problem.
Yeah.
All of them are people, and I am interested in those people. I'm interested in the person who is wearing the uniform. Duty or the job actually doesn't define them. What defines them is their life, where they are, how they are brought up, what kind of childhood they led, who are their parents, what education they got, what morality or the moral spine that this person has, what are his conflicts, who are there in his family, what are the problems that they are facing, what are their happiness, what are their sad moments, all of these. So that is why none of these roles are similar when I perform, because for me, that uniform doesn't matter. What matters is the person who is wearing the uniform, and my focus is that person.
Right. Tell me, Manoj, you've done, generally actors get typecast into either commercial cinema or parallel cinema. You've done the best of both worlds. How do you balance them?
How do I balance it? The independent cinema is my passion. This is where I learn everything. This is where I feel that cinema is considered a medium of art, and I do it for my own satisfaction. I do it for my own self and for my own sake. It satisfies the artist inside me. I do middle of the road cinema because it has both the world. It has the commerce one also. It has the art also. Sometimes I do completely commercial films when the theaters were open because they somehow gave me commercial strength to back or support the independent films. How I do it, I just go with the director and his conviction and his demands and his requirements. I don't question them. I don't question my directors. I ask questions and I try to understand where they're coming from instead of judging them or making a statement about them or about their films. I'm just their actor who is following their vision.
But then, is there anything in particular that excites you to take up a role?
What excites me is how new is the story, how new is the storytelling, how new is the character, that I'm getting to play. What I can bring what new I can bring on the table. Sometimes the script is good, character is good, but I know that I will not be getting anything new on the table. I don't do it. So if it is something really good, it will give me a chance to bring something new on the table. And it is a different kind of a storytelling. I just go and be part of it and enjoy myself.
Manoj, you've been hitting gold on OTT one after another with all the series, all the different characters that you've played. You think OTT has been a game changer?
OTT has been a game changer everywhere. It has been a game changer in US, in India, definitely in this 3-4 years. It has gained so much strength. Also, it has gained a tremendous strength. Because of the lockdown, this was the only platform where people could really forget about everything that was happening outside. It has entertained them and engaged them with new stories, new performances, new work, and now it is become the essential part of people's life. So every household that you go to, you see some people are just sitting in front of their smart TV or on their laptop or iPad or phone, just enjoying some great work of some people or the other. So it is kind of booming. It is going stronger and stronger.
Yeah. All right, nice. Final question for you. I really wanted to ask you that. Is Manoj the actor also Manoj the singer or Manoj the rapper?
Don't take my rapper seriously.
It was quite good.
No, I just enjoyed myself. It was something that was done in the lockdown, and we were actually desperate to get out and do something, and this is what we've done. And it was also a tribute to all those working class people who were, suddenly because of the lockdown and the pandemic, they had to walk with their family miles and miles to reach to get back to their village. So we were all disturbed by those pictures and the videos, and this was a tribute to them.
It was quite nice. You should consider doing that more often. We'd love to see you in that avatar.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Manoj, for talking to us. It's been a pleasure. I wish this could go on longer, but I understand you are running late. We wish you all the very best for the movie. Dial 100 is looking great, and we are very, very excited to watch it.
Please watch it and send in your opinion. Okay.
Thank you so much. Take care.